Chelsea, you're in your same seat. Last night, I tried to call her back. Did she tell you? She got on this call? Good morning. Okay, so I tried to call her back to set up a time. He was like,
What? What's that?
Your same seat. So, you think the worst is like, it's a natural thing for a teacher to start to aspire with something in advising. I didn't know there was an issue.
But when I had told you, you left and you died.
What? No.
And that's what made me even more.
Because honestly, like, I feel with it. It's like,
Why was you trying to prevent that? You still don't have a listen.
So I can't really have a conversation with you if it's okay, and we need a strong silent start. I love what I'm seeing from Danielle. Love what I'm seeing from Zaya. I need a couple of scholars to get to where they need to be with urgency. If you have been walking in, Ms. Robinson, there are a couple of scholars that came in tardy. Did you write them down?
I need about 3 scholars to get to level 0.
I'm not listening.
Sorry, Mr. Booger, for cursing on Ms. Robinson video.
That's all snap.
It's 20.
Okay. Wrapping up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pencils down, eyes on me. I need about 5 or 6 pairs of eyes. Wasting time. Good morning, fishies. Good morning.
What's up?
Okay, we're gonna do now the same way we've been doing. Trade with a partner.
Pause. Can we try that again? You can just say, like, do you really need everybody's pencil down out of their hand? Is that crucial?
Pencils down. Just enough focusing on me.
Okay. So instead of saying, like, we're wasting time, you could just say, like, I need a couple eyes.
Okay.
Try that again. Hey, team, start writing again.
Eyes on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good morning, fishies.
Good morning. What's up?
Okay, we're gonna do this the same way we've been doing. Point to who you're gonna trade with. Trade, and we're gonna grade. Simply mark and check if they got it wrong, and X. Oh, actually, pause for number 1 first, and then we're going to do the trade, and then we're going to grade. So I actually want you to focus on number 1 today. This is the most common mistake that I saw on number 1. D is not the correct answer. Is not the correct answer. I want you to look at the work here. You're going to have 30, when I say go, you're going to have 30 seconds to turn and talk with a partner. What mistake did I make here? 30 seconds, go. I'm going to be full.
She did it okay.
So who this one from?
Why you? Why she? She
was up Snapchat.
And now you must Snapchat. They don't record that long.
They surely don't.
That's a joke.
Get that light in my face.
Oh, my phone. Tell me reply.
Okay. Coming back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You can just say like, eyes back in 3, 2, 1.
Eyes back.
They
in
don't
3,
need that long
2,
of a-
1. Cold calling. I don't need your hands. Cold calling. What was my mistake in number 1? Taj. Do we agree with Taj?
Oh.
Wait. Yes.
You messed up too long.
Rose, I just put negative.
That's 3Z.
Okay. Taj said I have to multiply -2 by -3z. He's correct because I have to use the distributive property. What should I have gotten when I multiplied -2 by -3z? What should I have gotten when I multiplied -2 by -3z? Keviel? With voice? Do we agree with Keviel? Said 60. Okay, so quickly going through this. I'm going to be cold calling. Walk me through what my first step should have been. Yoshio?
Pause. You just said you're going to be cold calling.
Oh, he didn't raise. Cold calling.
So when you're cold calling, you want to be thinking to yourself, what is a sampling of... Rodney, you okay? Like, what's a sampling of scholars that I would want to hear from, ranging a variety of, like, probably, like, always gets the answer correct, sometimes struggles, sometimes something like this.
Okay.
So it's more intentional.
Okay. What should my first step be here, Brianna? Okay. I can distribute 2 to the -9 and get. And what else do I have to distribute it to? We just went over this. What else? What else? Chelsea? Okay. Okay. What's my next step? Archrock? Okay. So I'm going to get -6 equals 6z. What's my next step? Sean, what's my next step? With voice? Divide 6 by both sides. Do we agree with Sean? Do we agree? Okay. Why do you disagree, Zaya? We either agree or we raise our hands if we disagree. You do agree. Okay. So we're going to get z equals -1. So what answer on my snap? What's our answer choice? E. Okay.
E.
We don't have time to go over the rest of them, but you can look at your paper and see if you got them correct. Simply mark it with a check if you got it right, X if you got it correct, and trade back in 5 for question.
You can put that number 2.
Yeah, you always can use the quadratic formula if you're stuck on factoring. Good question. Okay, trading.
Check me back here, please.
Hello.
I want to give a lot of snaps. So scholars that I just put stickers out for were Nia, Brianna, Chris, Yocho, Keviel, Taz, Ronaldo. They had mastery on their exit ticket yesterday morning's exit ticket. And what I am gonna, you can turn it off.